Today, we are going to learn how to use the CapCut Pro features for free. After the new update, it has become quite difficult to use the Pro features for free. So let's start by opening the CapCut. Look, we're all using Pro feature. Press Ctrl plus A and right-click on the clip. Click on the Create Compound clip. Now, right-click on the video and select Pre-Process Compound clip. If you are not aware of the backup files, you can check the file location by going to your CapCut settings. Go to App Data, Local, CapCut, User Data, Project, Com, Levitator, Dot, Draft. Have you want right-click, Pin Quick Access. People who used to use Pro feature for free knew that it used to work, but now it's not working. What we have to do now is to look carefully and understand. Now, when everything is not working, you guys have to leave the application as it is and open another application. For this task, we have to install two applications and use both. We have to build in one and exit the other for free. Now we have to open the application and select the same project. And see, we will get the project exactly as we left it. Look, now when we put the video from the same project folder into the application, it will open in the application and we can easily export. Now, I'll show you guys what I previously installed from the Microsoft Store. And when it wasn't working after the new update, I installed another one from Google Chrome. Now I have two applications. You can easily export from them.